Elon Musk generated a huge wealth in a very short period of time. Musk was not having a single penny few years back, but now he is the Forbes richest person with a net worth of $228 billion. But creating this huge wealth in this short time is not at all easy. Musk followed some secret strategies to generate this wealth in a very short period of time. We have researched a lot and found 5 secret tricks which if you follow, you will become rich in the next 2 years, and if you don't follow then you might face huge losses in future. Number 1. Set financial goals. Elon Musk always suggests us to make a proper goal. Always write down the 10 things you want in future and then try to achieve it in a year. Don't just think the goal in mind, instead write it in a paper. When you think of a future goal in mind, it is just your dream. When you write it on a paper, then it becomes your target. Many people don't make a goal and end the year with no money left in pocket, so at first, do set a financial goal and then start working on it. Number 2. Work with enjoyment. Many people don't love their works, that's why they don't find interest in their work. Working with enjoyment is very essential. Being happy at work and loving what you do is an overall productivity booster and enhances performance. People who enjoy their work are more likely to be optimistic, motivated, learn faster, make fewer mistakes, and better business decisions. So do love your work. Before moving on to the video, we would request you to hit the subscribe button. 1 subscribe means a lot. Let's move on to the video. Number 3. Look for ways to reduce your living expenses. If you analyze your last month's expenditure, you will find that most of your money got burnt in your living expenses. Most people do the mistake of ignoring it. But ignoring is not a solution. You just need to control your spicy and luxury food habits and shop smartly. You will see that if you do these 2 things, then you are able to save a lump sum amount. Number 4. Start paying your debts. Not paying the debts is a very bad habit. Most people don't pay their debts in time. This results in bad relationship with the debtor, not getting future loan, and many more. It is also not advisable to take huge loans. Many people do this mistake and fall into big problems. So always take small loans and start paying your debts and be a debt-free person in your life. Number 5. Do stock market investments. If you keep money in your pocket, you will feel of spending it, but if you invest it in stock market, then you will not be able to spend anything without thinking. So stock market investments are very important and every successful people invests there. Investing the savings in stock market is also an intelligent idea, but do it after studying properly. And the biggest thing, don't put all the money into a single stock, always diversify your investments. That's all for today. Hope you will be able to get rich in the coming years. Do subscribe our channel for more money and finance related content, and also like this video. 1 like motivates us a lot.